Automate your social media with iApp. The pros, the cons. The Automate your social media with iApp is a must-have for marketers and content creators. Most people get this wrong by manually scheduling posts and analyzing engagement, but here's the surprising truth. I can optimize posting times, generate captions, and even suggest content ideas automatically. A major pro of this app is its smart scheduling. It analyzes your audience's activity patterns and posts at peak engagement times. For example, businesses using iScheduling reported up to a 25% increase in reach and engagement. Another advantage is content generation. The app can draft captions, hashtags, and even recommend images or videos tailored to your brand's voice. You won't believe how much time this saves when managing multiple platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook simultaneously. Analytics is another key feature. The app tracks likes, shares, comments, and follower growth, helping you make data-driven decisions. It can also suggest adjustments to your posting strategy for maximum results. On the downside, some content suggestions may need manual refinement to match your brand tone. Advanced automation features may require a premium plan, and beginners should take time to learn the interface. In conclusion, the Automate your social media with iApp is a game changer for anyone looking to improve efficiency and grow their online presence. By leveraging i for scheduling, content creation, and analytics, you can save hours each week, boost engagement, and focus on strategic growth.